Well, YouTube, day 4 of drone recovery effort produced a now already stripped HK S500 drone, which was sitting in the bottom of the lake. I've pulled all components off. The unfortunate thing is the GoPro was missing and is still in the bottom of the lake, but you can see the delamination of the circuit board, and the culprit is right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a burnt electronic speed control. All components are in a alcohol WD-40 electrical parts cleaner bath. And they'll all be cleaned and reassembled, and hopefully back in operation again. As you can see here, one of the LED lights has been revived on the back of my faux turbine, which is actually for a valve stem for a car. They call them tire flies, but they kind of look neat. Anyway, out to the recovery vehicle. Here's the recovery vehicle and the tools used to recover the drone. Right here, if you're ever trying to get your drone out of a lake, that's what you use. It's actually hot dog skewers bent into a grappling hook. Last year, when the same drone went into the lake, it was this that caught it. Same thing, hot dog skewer bent into a hook. This time it was caught on the grappling hook. And the hammer with that drag, it's actually a rack of some sort, I use just to anchor myself in the spot, and then persistently cast the grappling hook out until I got it. Unfortunately, the GoPro is still sitting right over there, yet to be found. Gotta wait for a clear day, put on a mask, and go search. Little update, YouTube. Success. Thanks for watching.